Hi, I'm James Erickson from EMC Dental Marketing, and today we're talking about dental websites. And I see that a lot of dentists are confused about what makes a good website. And I don't blame them because there's a lot of stuff out there, but I'm going to give you 3 important things to include in your practice website. You can go back and take a look at your own website and see if it includes these 3 things, or if you don't have a website, when you go out and look at getting one created, you can know whether it includes these 3 things or not. At the beginning, websites were created mainly as an online brochure. Basically, graphic designers say, hey, you need to build a brand, you need a beautiful website. And I don't blame dentists for this. I blame the web design companies, the big ones out there that are saying, oh, well, let's just make it pretty, the dentist will like it, we'll be fine. And I don't blame dentists. Dentists like pretty things, pretty teeth, pretty hygienists. Building a brand into a website was very important at one time. You could slap some cool animation up, some cool stuff, and it would be dazzling and amazing. But that's not enough anymore. The internet has changed. People are looking for different things. They have new ways to share information, and they want a quick answer to their problems. So your website can not only include brand, it has to include 2 other very important pieces. One of the other important pieces is the content on the website. So not only brand, but you have to have good content on your website. This doesn't mean an article you wrote on dental implants 10 years ago up there. This means something in the past couple days, maybe couple weeks, about new technology or new things you're doing in your practice. You can really become a newsworthy source in your community. If you want to stand out above the other dentists in your area, don't focus so much on brand. Focus on providing good health-related dental content, and it will draw patients in by droves. The third piece is the function of your website. I'm going to put that over here. And what function means is how people interact with your website. What buttons do they click? Is there a video to watch? Can they get to where they want to go quickly? These 3 connect together to make a great practice website. You have your brand, which is the look and feel of your website. You've got the content, which is the information included on your website. And you've got the function, is how those people interact with that information. Well, that's kind of hard to remember. So let's go ahead and put some definitions to each of these. So the brand really is what people will see and remember. These are the pictures on your website. These are the logos, everything from the colors to the pictures. If you're trying to get a young family in there, I can't spell remember today. If you're trying to get a young family in there, you don't want pictures of elderly people. You want pictures of those people so they can relate to that. And so they put in their mind, they file you away in their mind as being part of that group. It's not just your logo, so don't just think of it as your logo. It's the whole feel that goes with seeing and remembering. So they're going to tie your logo in with all the other stuff that's included, and that's what they're going to remember about your website. The content is what you want people to know when they visit your website. If you want them to know that you just got a new German Shepherd, then put that on the website. If you want them to know that you just got the new Laser Dentistry 4000 machine and that you can treat all their gum disease and predictable hemostasis and such, put that on there. If your website has said that you have over 15 years of dental experience, if it said that 10 years ago, you need to be able to update that to be 25 years. You need to keep everything current. The function is, what do you want these people to do? I'm running out of space here. I'll just put what you want them to do. The function of your website, is it to get new patients? Is it to find new Twitter followers? Is it to get your current patients to find patient forms, refer a friend? One of the hardest things to do most of the time is find the place to click that says make an appointment or contact us. Those should be very, very high on your list. So the brand, what people will see and remember. The content is what you want them to know. And the function is what you want them to do. That's it. That's all I've got. Just 3 things to look for when you're trying to either redesign your website, which a lot of people need to do, or you're going to get your first website for your dental practice. Thanks. This is James Erickson, EMC Dental Marketing. I'll see you next time.